Happy Friday, parents. I hope that you guys had another great week. We are getting down to the wire with third grade. It is amazing to think that we only have about 3.5 weeks left. And so thank you for everything you guys continue to do this year, all of the wonderful donations, all of the support, everything that you guys have been doing behind the scenes. Usually it's you guys getting to be in the classroom and volunteering and seeing how things are going here, and we definitely miss your guys' faces here. So we look forward to hopefully next year when you're in fourth grade popping down to see me and getting to know kind of the classroom then. This week we worked on different readers' theaters for reading that we focus on analyzing theme. In math, we worked through a project-based learning to design a water park, and this was really to just get the real-world application of math. In writing, we finished our national park research projects, so please be on a lookout for those. And then in core knowledge, we are working on our Colonial America unit, and so it's my favorite unit of third grade, and they are already loving it. Please reach out to me if you did not receive the Wax Museum information this week. It would have been on a gold piece of paper that also included your student leader. We are working on those paragraphs in school, and those will get printed and sent home so that they can start getting memorized next week. I hope that you have a great weekend. Double check those upcoming events, and if you have any questions, let me know.